National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Green Oaks to near Barrington, moving east-northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Carpentersville, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Park, Wilmette, and Vernon Hills. This includes Oakton Community College, Elgin Community College, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harper College, Lake Forest College, and Ravinia Music Festival. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe